Hello, this is an introduction to commercial fire alarm systems. Please click on one of the 3 videos to begin learning. Make sure to watch all of the 3 videos before attempting to wire any fire alarms up. Also, check the descriptions of each for any extra information that may have been added. If you click on video 1, How Fire Alarm Systems Work, you can learn about the different types of fire alarm systems, their operations, and you can learn about the community there is for fire alarm enthusiasts. If you're a new fire alarm enthusiast, this is the video to watch. If you click on video 2, Choosing the Right Kind of Fire Alarms, you can learn about the different brands of fire alarms, the places to buy them, and about compatible devices. If you click on video 3, How to Install a Fire Alarm System, you can learn about how to mount, wire, and the safety precautions that come along with a fire alarm system. Click on the video that you wish to view. Remember to make sure to watch all 3 and to check the description of each for any extra information. Click on the video that you wish to view. Please click one of the 3 videos. I recommend starting with video 1, then watching video 2, and then video 3. If you are still confused after watching these videos, please visit the Fire Panel forums. Go to Bing or Google and type in the Fire Panel, and then click on the Forum button. Click on TSSCman123 to visit my channel and view more of my videos. Good luck with your fire alarm system.